You want to meet the horses, Stubby?
Hey, don't go getting all worked up. Can I get in? This is Zeke.
Hey, Zeke.
That's Zeke, and this is Zena. Lots of flies around them today, I tell you. No, don't put your ears in my bucket. Don't push her out of the way. See, she's already had a couple mouthfuls, and then she'll come over here and eat out this one. Here you go, Zeke. Hey, she's a bully.
Hey, Zeke.
He's a bully. This is Zena. Zena's pretty
Or
good.
Zena.
Zena's a pretty girl. They were actually pasture mates when they were young, and then they kind of got reacquainted back here. We bought her, and then somebody said, "Hey, you looking for a male?" I said, "Yeah, I'll take him." So we bought Zeke in here. It was so funny when they finally saw each other. They were just ecstatic because they knew, they know. Of course, Zeke tries to mount her, and there's no, he's got no balls, and she's all, well, she's not there. What do you think, Tub? What do you think, Tubby? Go say hi. Go say hi. This is what's eating here.
Stubby. Stubby.
Stubby says, I can eat that. It's sweet. It's got sugars. They're very gentle. Look at it. What do you think, Stub? This is not bad stuff. Not bad stuff there. They're pretty docile. Pretty docile animals.
Yeah? That what you want right there?
Harrison! Harrison, come on!
What is there, another horse? Was there another horse?
No, a little dog.
Oh. You having fun, Stubby? You gonna go over and visit the other guy? What are you doing, Stubby? Sure. All right.